Here's a positive use of an AI in robots. IBM has created a robot that they draw a molecule of a drug, and the robot, who has selections of a lot of chemicals, will sit there and make up the drug. Small amounts of chemicals here and here and there, and they're looking at this and saying, how is that can do it? How can that robot do it correctly and everything else, mixing and that thing. Well, it just happens to be tied into that multi-million-dollar computer in the background, who's making all these little fine decisions for the robot to do. And they say, well, I would never think of that. Well, yeah, but it's analyzing every step of the way it's doing it. So if it's shaking it 3 times instead of 4 times, that's right. And if it has its little rod spinning inside there, yes. And if it adds just so much heat there, it's also recording everything it's doing. It's analyzing everything it's doing, then it's recording all the information at that, so it can be repeated again for the next compound, which is beautiful. That's artificial intelligence for you. By God, that has replaced me as a chemist. Oh well. Not if I can learn to program it right. Well, that's another way of using AI for positive use.